Hey Monstars, who's ready to come with Coach Ash to build a brand new Monstars headquarters? Everybody's gonna need to be there. We're gonna have Mikey Monster, the Funky Monkey, Coach Joel, Coach Shane, of course, Coach Ash. You ready to do it? Let's do it. Okay, before we can start going to any building site, of course, we need to have our hard hat on and our safety boots on. So let's bend forward and pick up our hard hat. Gentle bend, maybe a slight bend in the knees and all the way up. Hard hat on. Yep, that should keep me nice and safe. We need to pick up our boots. Gentle bend forward, one boot. Okay, time for some balancing. We're going to lift our left leg and one boot on. Time for the second one. Gentle bend forward, gentle bend in the knees. Got our right boot ready. Ready to lift our right knee all the way up. Boot on. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Safety hat on, hard boots on. Time to get in our trucks to drive to the Monstars headquarters. Arms up nice and strong. Slight bend in the knees, bottoms out. Arms out nice in front, holding on to our steering wheel. And driving to the Monstars headquarters new building site. Oh, maybe it's time to toot our horn. Beep, beep. Driving to the Monstars headquarters. I think we're here. Oh, but before we can call the builders on site, I think it needs some excavation work. Yeah, we definitely need to do some digging. This is not ready to build a new headquarters on. Okay, everybody, let's get into our excavators. Big steps in. Okay, time to bring out our excavator arms. One leg forward. That second leg, we're going to have the toes pointing to the side. We're going to bend that front knee. Arms out all the way up and all the way back down. Our front arm is going to bend on the knee and our back arm is going to come all the way up and ready to start digging with our excavator arms. Oh, dig, 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 and smooth it out. Dig, 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 and smooth it out. What do we think? Not bad, but I think we need to do the other side now. Ready for a big jump to the other side? Whew, that was good. Okay, front leg forward, bend the knee. That back leg goes back just a touch. The toes point to the side. Bend that front knee, arms out strong, front arm in front, and that second arm goes all the way above our ear, and dig, dig, dig with your excavator arms, dig, dig, and smooth it out, and smooth it out. A little bit more digging, I think. Arms up all the way to the front, and excavator arms, excavator arms, excavator arms, and smooth it out. That's better. I think we're almost ready to call the builders to start building our Monstars headquarters, but although we did smooth out a lot of our dirt, I think we need to take some of it away. I think it might be time to jump into our Bobcats, I think, and remove some of the dirt that didn't need to be smoothed out. There is still just a little bit too much, I think. Okay, ready to jump into our Bobcats? We're going to bring one leg forward. That back leg is going to go back. We're going to gently point out our toes just to the side. We're going to bend that front knee, facing to the front, and with our Bobcat bucket arms, we're going to move the dirt and dump it to the side, out of the way. Move the dirt, dump it to the side, and out of the way. I think it might be time to put some dirt on that side. Swapping legs. Front leg slightly bended. That back leg, toes pointing just to the side. Bobcat arms out nice and strong and scooping up and to the side. And scooping up and to the side. That's better. All right, I think it might be time to call the builders to start building our Monstars headquarters. So come on, let's jump in our trucks and let them know it's time to go. Nice strong legs, arms all the way up to the sky. Slight bend in the knees, bottoms out, arms on the steering wheel. What does your truck sound like? My truck doesn't sound very well. And a big toot toot, we're coming through. All right, builders, Monstars headquarters land is ready to be built on. Thanks, Monstars. I'll see you next time. Bye.